The Employees Provident Fund is considering expanding its investment portfolio with an eye on new sectors such as healthcare and industrial. CEO Dato' Syariul Ridzuan says the world's sixth largest provident fund is looking into sectors which are robust and not dependent on economic cycles. Dato' Syariul says the EPF wants to maintain its record in bringing stable returns to its depositors. He says the fund's target has always been to provide the real return, which is inflation plus 2%. Going forward, he says the EPF intends to make way for more potential local and foreign investors to invest in Malaysian businesses instead of overcrowding the local investment market.
You mentioned earlier, one of the main factors which you're always very careful about basically is overcrowding the local market and the lack of liquidity in the local market. So we're making sure basically that there's ample liquidity both in the local market and we're putting more money offshore in more liquid markets.
On plans to invest in more property assets overseas, he says Europe is a viable market.
We're looking at continental Europe right now. We may be looking at executing one transaction there in the near future, but it depends on the due diligence that we do on those transactions.
He adds the fund has been investing in more than 15 markets with more than 500 different companies or securities. Dato' Syariul was speaking to reporters on the sidelines of a working visit of Deputy Finance Minister Dato' Ahmad Maslan to the EPF building in Kuala Lumpur.